Welcome to PurposeProfit, a personal finance educating channel specializing in ethical, no-debt strategies. Historical accounts show Abdurrahman ibn Auf freed his community from debt with zero-interest loans, so ethical budgeting works. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to track and allocate each dollar from your multiple gigs, and you'll be able to grow savings without any loans or interest. First, list every income source you have. Even small side gigs count. For example, Eva drives for ride shares and sells crafts online. She writes down both incomes. Write down each job and its monthly pay. Seeing your total earnings clearly lets you budget smarter. Type yes if you're juggling side gigs. Type yes if you have multiple incomes. Quick playbook. Write every source, job, gig, freelance, and expected monthly amount. Include intermittent earnings, tips, bonuses, sales. Use a budget app or notebook to track each payday. Wait until you see the interest-free trick Eva uses to turn all her gig earnings into steady savings. Next, allocate each dollar to categories. Essentials come first: rent, bills, groceries. For example, if Eva earns $800, she might assign $400 to essentials, $200 to savings, and $200 to fun or reinvestment. Michael, an online retailer in Birmingham, splits his profits similarly. Decide fixed percentages or amounts for needs, savings, and extras. Quick playbook. List fixed expenses, rent, utilities, and cover those first with one income. Set a percentage of each paycheck for savings, reinvestment, e.g. 20 to 30%. Track spending weekly, adjust categories if you overspend. Hint, this avoids reaching for credit. Wait until you see how Michael uses no-interest profit sharing to grow his business. Then plan for ups and downs. Inconsistent gigs mean some months are lean. Use a minimum income budget. Calculate the smallest monthly amount that covers essentials. In higher earning months, stash the extra in an emergency fund. Eva takes any surplus and puts it into savings. Like our friend Mr. Finch the bird, who gathers seeds one by one for winter, small savings grow into a big nest egg over time. Quick playbook. Calculate your lowest monthly income needed for bills and save it as a baseline. On good months, deposit everything above that baseline into savings. Open a separate savings account or jar labeled emergency fund. Type fund if you're building an emergency fund. And don't miss how Mr. Finch's approach multiplies savings by the end. Also, grow income ethically. Instead of taking a high-interest loan for a project, form a profit-sharing partnership. For example, Michael needed $1,000 to expand his store. Rather than a bank loan, he partnered with a friend who shared in the profits. Now both benefit or share losses, and no one pays interest. Consider crowdfunding or cooperative investing. Many online platforms let you raise funds by promising a share of future sales. Quick playbook. Find a partner or community investor and agree to split profits, not pay fixed interest. Research interest-free funding, credit unions, community loan circles, or reward-based crowdfunding. When hiring, negotiate project by project, pay for service instead of loans. Poll. Would you try a profit-sharing partnership? Type yes or no. Wait for it. We'll see Michael's profit share hack yield returns without riba. Finally, review and give back. Check your budget each month. If incomes change, tweak your allocations. Track with apps or a journal, so no surprises. And keep an ethical mindset. When you do earn more, think of giving some away or helping others. A well-known saying is, charity does not decrease wealth. Even lending a small sum interest-free or donating a bit can build blessings and future goodwill without harming your finances. Quick playbook. Review your budget monthly. Increase or decrease categories as needed. Use budgeting apps or plain spreadsheets to catch any overspending. Consider micro-donations or interest-free help to friends. It strengthens your community. In summary, tracking multiple incomes carefully multiplies your financial stability. You know how to list sources, set categories, plan for surprises, grow funds ethically, and even share blessings, all interest-free. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more interest-free finance tips. Share, save this. Next video, rethinking, budgeting with AI and automation tools.